Now we're going to go over the operational menus of our single station compressed air loaders with filter cleaning. If you have not already watched the general navigation video for our PLC controls, please stop this video and go back and watch that video, because we assume that you know how to navigate around the controller as we proceed with this video. This is for software version LCA-VFP-02211. Okay, as we start, you can see that we're on the I/O screen and we're in the stop mode. I always recommend that you leave it in the stop mode until you set your parameters, because if you put it into the run mode, it's going to immediately start operating the loader. Let's go to the operation manual by hitting select, and you can see we can change the save air timer, air saver timer, and the pulse cycles. The air saver timer is currently set at 2, so that means that after the switch is fulfilled, it will continue to load the loader for 2 seconds. Without an air saver timer, it cycles on and off with the switch. The air saver timer can save up to 30 to 40% of your compressed air usage, and it allows it to fill above the switch into the chamber. It comes default setting 2. If you want to change that, just hit select, highlight the digit you want to change, select again, and as you can see, you can change it to whatever you want. When you're done, simply say OK, and escape that mode, and you've made the change. The pulse, let's go back. The pulse cycles is how often we clean the filter. So when that's set at 3, every third loading cycle, it's going to clean the filter. You can set it at 1, and then like most loaders, it will clean after each load. But that's often not required, and it uses compressed air. So if you want to save compressed air, you can set it, for example, at 3, which is the default setting, which means every third load, it will clean the filters. Now you can adjust how it cleans the filter. The pulse on time is how long the valve is open and actually pulses the air. In this case, it's set at 0.5 seconds. And then you can set the off time, which in this case is set at 0.2 seconds. And what that will do is pulse the air for 0.5 seconds and then be off for 2 seconds, allow the compressed air to reaccumulate and go again. And you can change that to any number that you want to change. And that's basically it. It's a very simple operation. It's easy to use. It's very intuitive. When you're done, you hit escape. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So I'm going to hit escape again from the I/O screen. I'm going to go down to run. I'm going to hit select. I've selected it. Hit select again. Hit OK. And now I have to say yes, I want to put it in the run mode. Once I've done that, as you can see here, it's ready to run. And if I was to get a signal from the molding machine, we'd immediately start to load. As soon as that signal goes off, it's still going to load for that 3 seconds. And if I was to do that 3 times, you would see the filter begin to pulse. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-918-5820. Thank you.